Pulsetto Fit. This is the brand new upgrade to one of the most talked about wellness gadgets of the year. And today, you're getting one of the very first hands-on reviews. So here's the big question. Do the new features of the Pulsetto Fit override those of the earlier version of just plain Pulsetto? And can this newer version of a neck-worn device really calm your nerves in just 4 minutes? In this video, I'll show you exactly what's inside the box, what new features it actually has, and how the new Pulsetto Fit works. And if you're already thinking, I want to try this, I've got you covered. Just check the description below or scan the QR code you see on screen. We've teamed up with Pulsetto to give you an exclusive Pulsetto coupon code. All right, now let's take a look at what comes inside the Pulsetto Fit box. Right away, very nice box, very cool green and black sort of look going on. Here's the back side showing a diagram of the Pulsetto Fit. We also have some benefits here at the bottom: manage stress, improve sleep, reduce pain, avoid burnout, and control anxiety. Things that I'm sure a lot of us are looking for. Also a 2-year warranty along with what comes inside the box, but I'm not gonna go over that because I'm gonna open it up for you right now. All right, right out the gate, we have the Pulsetto Fit right in front of us. All right, we're gonna take everything out one by one here. First up, the Pulsetto Fit device itself. Now, right away, you can tell that it's incredibly lightweight and flexible, which is exactly what you would hope for because this thing is meant to wrap around the neck without feeling too bulky. Now, the feel of it is really nice. It feels like a well-built product. The finish is soft, smooth, almost silicone-like, and the contact pads, which are the silver balls right here, are placed exactly where they should be. We have a subtle Pulsetto branding here on the side. Looks like we have a sort of retractable ends here depending on your neck size. And right here on the side, we have a USB-C charging port. And right here, we have a power button. Very minimal, simple, clean, modern, well-built feel to it, and looks really good. Next, we have the user guide, which honestly, I love how their branding is very consistent across everything with their packaging. But don't worry, the setup is actually really simple, and I'm gonna walk you through it in just a second. All right, moving deeper into the box, the next thing that I see is a USB-C charging cable. They say that 1 hour of charging time will give you about a week's worth of use, according to their specs. Now, we'll see if that's really true over time. Moving on, we have a bottle of green gel. This is a conductive gel, and you'll need just a pea-sized amount of this before each use with the Pulsetto Fit. Now, what this does is this makes sure that the stimulation actually works through the skin. Now, here's where Pulsetto Fit actually sets itself apart from the original. First is the comfort upgrade. It comes with 2 newly designed, very soft paddings that attach magnetically to the Pulsetto Fit. Now, this means you can easily swap between them based on fit and feel, which is great if you're sensitive to pressure points around the neck. In other words, now Pulsetto comes in 3 distinct sizes. We have the L size, or simply the device worn without any padding, the M size with medium padding, and the S size with much larger padding. The way that these pads just magnetically clip on to the Pulsetto Fit is actually really nice and very simple. It's one of those small details that you can tell they put a little bit of effort in just to make the user experience a lot better. No clipping, no, anything that can break off, and so it's not gonna hang on anymore. It's actually really nice. They really took feedback from the original and made this one a lot more wearable. There's also adjustable LED intensity and a more gradual start to each session. So the stimulation doesn't just jolt on, it eases in, giving overall a more pleasant experience. And according to the company, the battery life on this has improved by 20% compared to the previous model, which I'm definitely going to test out in the long run. Now let's see what it actually takes to get started. The setup process is quick and honestly kind of satisfying. By the way, if you own the previous Pulsetto version, you'll immediately notice that the setup is pretty much the same. First, I apply just a small pea-sized amount of the conductive gel to the electrodes. It doesn't seem like much, but it's actually crucial. Without it, the stimulation won't work properly. Then I place the device gently around my neck. The fit is light and flexible, This is actually much softer than I remember the first version of Pulsetto being. Pulsetto Fit, this new one just sort of sits here, sort of like a soft collar. It's actually very comfortable. To turn it on, I press and hold the power button. A tiny light flashes, and then I'm good to go. Next, I open up the Pulsetto Wellness app. I'm gonna go to the top corner and hit Connect Pulsetto. And literally within half a second, the device syncs automatically. No need to fumble through settings or pair it manually. Now, once I'm in, I'm greeted with 5 built-in programs. You can choose from stress, sleep, burnout, pain, or anxiety. Let's say I'm winding down at night, and after I record this video, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna tap on the sleep mode. To begin the simulation, tap the green play button below, which is exactly what I'm gonna do. So I'll hit start, and almost immediately, I feel a soft, sort of rhythmic pulse at the front of my neck here. It's not shocking or uncomfortable, just a light tingle, strangely calming. And I do wanna say that it didn't just jolt in, it eased in, which is really nice. On my app here, I can change the intensity, so let's see what happens if I hit plus. Oh, wow. I'm on intensity 3. I'm gonna go to intensity 4, and I can feel my muscles twitching on my neck, which they say is normal, and that happens, and it's sort of, your body gets used to it over time. Now, I'm not gonna finish the entire session right now. I will when I finish filming. I'm just doing this for sake of demonstration and letting you see what the experience is like. It's very smooth to connect. Literally, it happened in an instant. I didn't have to do much manual labor at all with setting up this product, and I doubt you can see it on camera, but my neck is sort of twitching a little bit from this rhythmic pulse, and it's honestly quite nice. But obviously, I have to sit down, quiet, and focus, and use this almost sort of in a meditative state to let it do its thing, and that's what I'm gonna do off camera. For those who want more exclusive benefits, the premium version of the app adds a ton of depth. You get 11 unique meditations, 54 guided breathing exercises, and more than 50 self-care tasks, all designed to help you establish better habits and reset your nervous system. Honestly, it's kind of like having a wellness coach in my pocket, but without the clutter or pressure that most mental health apps have dumped on me in the past. And here's the nice thing, the base version of the app is completely free. You only pay if you want those extra tools. For a device this sleek, the app is surprisingly really intuitive. So far, the Pulsetto Fit feels less like setting up a gadget and more like prepping for a much-needed reset. If Pulsetto Fit feels like something your daily routine has been missing, check it out for yourself. It's a compact, wearable stress relief tool that you can use anytime, anywhere. And there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. Just click the link below or scan the QR code on screen to grab the exclusive Healthnews discount and get started. All right, let's talk about what it actually feels like to use Pulsetto Fit. Since I've used the original Pulsetto for about half a year, it was interesting to see if anything's different with a new version. So once I start the session, I feel this soft tingling sensation around my neck. It's like a low rhythmic buzz. Depending on the intensity setting, it can sometimes cause a very mild twitch in the neck muscles, like I mentioned, but it's not painful by any means. It kind of reminds me of those TENS unit used in physical therapy, but a lot more subtle. After just a couple of minutes, I honestly did feel a bit more grounded. Not a dramatic transformation, but a noticeable calm. My breathing slowed, I stopped tapping my foot, you know, those little signs that your body's still in go, go, go mode. It's like it nudges you into a slower gear without you having to try to relax. That said, getting the positioning right makes a big difference. You really do need that conductive gel, and the pads need to sit flush against the skin. Otherwise, you won't feel much at all. So, when would I personally reach for the Pulsetto Fit? For me, bedtime is the obvious choice. But I could also see this working well after a rough workday or honestly mid-flight when your body's all tensed up and you just want to chill. It's small, travel-friendly, and probably no one will even notice that you're using it. Now, if you've never heard about Pulsetto, I'll describe it to you in simple terms, what it is and what it does. Pulsetto Fit isn't just some wellness gimmick. It's built on the idea of transcutaneous vagus nerve stimulation, or TVNS. The vagus nerve is this massive communication highway connecting your brain to key organs like your heart, lungs, and gut. It's responsible for calming your system down, triggering what's called the parasympathetic response: rest, digest, and restore. Clinical research into VNS shows that stimulating the vagus nerve can improve things like heart rate variability, lower anxiety, and promote deeper sleep. And that's the inspiration behind devices like Pulsetto. Now, to be clear, Pulsetto vagus nerve stimulation is non-invasive. It's not a medical treatment or implant, but it is inspired by real neuroscience. Pulsetto Fit is FCC certified, CE marked, and it uses ultra-low energy Bluetooth to keep things safe and body-friendly. So while it's not a substitute for therapy or medication, it could be a great daily tool to support mental wellness and recovery. Now, let's get into what actually works and what might be a downside. First off, the pros. Pulsetto Fit is totally non-invasive and really easy to use. Sessions are short, around 4 to 10 minutes, and it's the kind of thing you can do while winding down at night or even mid-workday. The free version of the app gives you access to all 5 core programs, and if you want more, there are plenty of upgrade options. Personally, I felt some early effects right away, like reduced tension, easier sleep, and just a clearer headspace. Now, a few things to keep in mind. You do need to apply the gel every single time, which might be a slight hassle for some people, and Pulsetto's not for everyone. If you've got a pacemaker, suffer from epilepsy, or certain other medical conditions, it's best to check with a doctor first. Also, the results can vary. Some people feel the benefits quickly, while others it might take a few weeks of consistent use. So what's the bottom line? Pulsetto Fit is a more refined version of the previous one. It will provide you with size options and a longer battery life. It won't become a miracle fix, but if you're looking for a natural, tech-powered way to ease stress, improve focus, or even get better sleep, it's definitely worth exploring. And the best part, there's a 30-day Pulsetto money-back guarantee, so you can try it out risk-free and see if it fits into your routine. Don't forget to hit the link below or scan the QR code if you're ready to try the brand new Pulsetto Fit. It comes with an exclusive discount just for our Health News viewers, and while you're here, subscribe to Health News and check out our other first impressions, especially if you're into wellness tech. My name is Steven, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.